again, there were marked contrasts in the weather across the country today. Warm sunshine across southeastern areas led to temperatures of 16, 17 degrees. It was cold and wet though through Northern Ireland and southwest Scotland, about 6 degrees for much of the afternoon. There's the reason for the rain. This area of low pressure, that'll be spinning away very rapidly tonight, and then we'll be all left in this cold run of northwesterly winds right the way down across the country. So a more even distribution of temperatures for Good Friday. There's plenty of rain showing up on the radar screen as well. The heavier rain, more widespread across Northern Ireland, central and southern Scotland, and now back into northwest England. That rain band's going to be moving southeastwards during this evening and overnight. Not too much rain at all down across these more southern counties. It'll loiter for a while before starry skies return for the second half of the night. So as far as comet spotting is concerned, the longer you leave it really, the clearer it will be. Across the north though, plenty of showers which will be wintry. Some snow in the hills there, some hail too, and some showers feeding south into North Wales, into the northwest of England and possibly into the northwest Midlands through the night. Temperatures, well, they could be lower in the south, but certainly a colder night than last night. Across the north, in the shelter of those gale force winds, there could be some icy patches out on the roads. Now those strong to gale force northwesterlies are going to be with us throughout the day on Good Friday, so it's going to feel pretty chilly. You'll notice it in the south with that strong wind blowing despite a fair amount of sunshine. I expect afternoon temperatures across much of England and Wales to be no higher than say 10 to 12 degrees, and perishing cold I would think across there on the Norfolk coast where you are facing that northwesterly. Further north, 7 to 9 degrees just about sums it up, and there will be fairly frequent showers coming along as well. Plenty of sunshine first thing, especially in sheltered southern and eastern parts, but rather more wintry showers developing once we get through the afternoon. I think a lot turning up on the Aberdeenshire coast there, and also a few running down through eastern England, down as far as the Wash perhaps. But the brightest sunshine, the more persistent sunny weather around those southwestern coasts. Late in the day, some more persistent rain returning to the northwest of Scotland. That band of cloud and patchy rain perhaps just fringing eastern England for a time on Saturday, but the high pressure begins to exert its influence once we get through to the Easter weekend, so things aren't going to be at all bad. Rather cloudy for a time though across the north and west on Saturday, patchy rain off the North Sea coast, but bright sunshine in the south, and rather more dry and bright weather, and rather warmer weather too, with less wind on Easter Day. Goodbye.